student, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am discussing here transition elements, very important reasoning question. Why zinc does not show variable valency? First, and second, the metal which is considered as transition metal is zinc, mercury, cadmium, scandium. So first I will tell you about zinc, cadmium, mercury. The zinc is having electronic configuration argon 18 3d10 4s2, cadmium, krypton 336, okay, krypton 4d10 5s2, mercury here it is xenon 54 4f14 5d10 6s2, and in ionic this is elemental state of all of them. They belongs to the same group, that is here sometimes they are saying 12th group or second B. Okay, so zinc, cadmium, mercury are present in second groups 12 or second B. Okay, and this is the oxidation in +2 oxidation state. Also they are having 3d10 4d10 5d10, all d orbitals are filled. Argon 18 3d10, krypton 36 4d10, and mercury xenon, mercury 2 positive, all of them are 2 positive oxidation state, xenon 54 5d10. Okay, so partially filled d orbitals are absent in the oxidation state as well as in elemental state. So zinc, cadmium, mercury are not considered as transition element, because this is one of the criteria to define transition elements, that they are having partially filled d orbital or either in the elemental state or any of the oxidation state. But those conditions are not fulfilled by zinc, cadmium, mercury, so they are not regarded as transition elements. They are just kept according to atomic number in the transition element series. Clear? Now, so which is the answer correct then? Scandium. SC, scandium is having this 3d1 4s2 configuration in which partially filled d orbital or partially filled d orbital is present. So scandium is considered as transition elements. Now, say question, zinc does not show variable valency. Reason is also hiding behind it. That zinc does not show variable oxidation state due to presence of fully filled, completely filled d orbitals. So it will not show variable oxidation state. When partly filled d orbitals are there, then only the element of transition shows oxidation, variable oxidation state. Clear? Now next question, the ground state of titanium. Titanium is having atomic number 22. So argon 18 3d2 4s2. Rest options are I am not thinking about, because I will give you correct option. So it is the second member of the first transition series. First is scandium, second is titanium. Atomic number 22, electronic configuration